Fed Up Warrior here. This is some new developments with Ruth Ginsburg, and there's some strange stuff that's been popping up over the last week. We're going to go into details of two of them and who possibly could be replacing her, just on the simple fact that people have not heard from her. There's probably some sort of propaganda going around that she's went missing, and there is a major piece of information that came out within the last 24 hours that's going to be an eye-opener for a lot of people. So let's get into this deep. I'm going to tell you right now, there are some things going around that people need to be aware of. We start this with development. It's an update over her health condition from last year. This came out about a few days ago, talking about that she was sick with pneumonia. Now she's fighting for her life. There have been reports that she has somehow went missing. She has missed some major important cases and everything else. Then you have Lindsey Graham out of the blue. He's pretty hell-bent on replacing Ginsburg, despite Supreme Court saying she's cancer-free. Apparently she got a clean bill of health saying she was cancer-free. And this was right before she developed pneumonia and is fighting for her life. There are some strange alarms here going off.
A college professor.
I know according to the 8chan boards, they've been talking a lot about Ginsburg. This guy's being sarcastic. She needs a rest. See, even 8chan, the people in 8chan are saying she's already dead. Maybe the 29th is confirmation to the rest of the public that maybe she's gone. See, even Q is acknowledging her too. And that's confirmation that something's really going on. Now, one of the key people that may end up replacing her is Amy Coney Barrett. Believe it or not, she was one of the people chosen to replace Justice Kennedy, the spot that eventually went to Brett Kavanaugh. They're insisting she may be the one to replace her. Not only that, here's the situation. She is a Catholic. It's going to be awful hard for the committee, judicial committee, to try to find dirt on this young lady right here. She was assistant to Judge Scalia, and she did serve on the U.S. Circuit Court, on the U.S. Court of Appeals in the 7th Circuit. One of the key concerns they're worried about because of her Catholic faith, they're afraid she may be one of the main judges that may strike down Roe versus Wade. I'm here to tell you folks, people are going too much into this, okay? It has nothing to do with Roe versus Wade. But as Trump starts replacing these judges, and this will make number 3, if indeed Miss Ginsburg is indeed replaced. Now, when she mentioned about her stance about Roe versus Wade, she feels it's very unlikely that Roe versus Wade will ever be overturned. However, she is a strong proponent of the idea that she doesn't like government actually funding abortions. And it gets better. Everybody's seeing one side of the table. They're not seeing the other. Give me just a second. All the liberals and everybody else is too focused on Roe versus Wade. They're not even seeing what her stance is about Obamacare. She does not agree with the interpretation that the Affordable Care Act's penalty was a tax. She also disagrees with the idea that the Affordable Care Act covers contraceptives. She feels that should not be happening. Now, this is unlikely. Who knows? If she comes out of nowhere and becomes the pick, so be it. This is just one person out of a whole lot that she's picking from. Only time will tell who will get Ginsburg's spot. But I'm here to tell you now, I think Ginsburg's days of being Supreme Court Justice are near an end. She's 85 years old. Her health is not in the best shape. And now revelations are starting to pop up that she might be dead. I seriously doubt she's going to be around. People need to start waking up. And you better be ready for more judicial hearings, because I ain't going to lie. When it comes down to it, down to the wire, we are going to be seeing a new Supreme Court justice. And don't count on the State of the Union being on the day it's supposed to be. Something tells me it's going to get delayed. Something tells me Ginsburg may be one of the key reasons. Folks, keep your eyes on the ball, stay vigilant, be safe, and have a good night.